Welcome to Emaar Square in Asia side in Üsküdar in Istanbul. This is our first time here. If you have not been here, you definitely want to put this on your to-do list because this place is amazing. You get a 360 view, you get a glass, clear glass that you can walk on and check out the whole Istanbul with amazing view, and you get amazing view of Çamlıca Tower as well.
59 saniye içinde 300 metre irtifaya çıkacağız. 350. We will reach an altitude of 300 meters in 59 seconds. Don't forget to take the photos of the 360-degree view of Istanbul and share it. Cabin cruise lines armed and cross-check, please.
Finish. Damn. Sounded like damn. Wow, look at this view. This is crazy. So over there, guys, you see the islands. 3 of them are open to public. 1 of them is private. There you go. That's the islands of Istanbul. The sun is starting to go down. Here's by far the best view in the tower, which is the Çamlıca Tower. And they're pretty close to each other. I feel like I can throw a rock halfway there. And then you can see the bridge right next to the Çamlıca. There you go. The bridge and the tower in one shot. And that's the Çamlıca Mosque right there. Cleaning the glasses. That's gotta suck. What do you think, Sido? You like it? You like it? You like it? Why you like it? You almost fell. Wow.